just wanted to show you all my nighttime ritual. What I do, I fix myself a cup of decaffeinated tea. It's caffeine free. I got this little sampler box and I just pick out whichever one I'm feeling like I want. There's like lemon, chamomile, peppermint, there's sleepy time, and then I drank all of the other one. I don't remember what it was. And then I just make me a cup of tea. I'll show you here. This just has that little tea bag down in there. I'll show you how I fix it. And my little snack that I fix with it at nighttime. And it's just something that makes me feel relaxed and a little nighttime snack. It's not too heavy, not too sweet, and it makes me, feel rested or more restful. Okay, I'll go ahead. I'll come over here. I turned that off and I didn't. I'll go over here to the kitchen and I'll show you how I make my snack tea. I just have in my mug here. And I use local honey to sweeten it with. I just put a little bit in it, enough to sweeten it. And honey never goes bad. Did you know that? And I will let my tea steep. While I do that, I'll just put like probably 1 or 2. And that's supposed to also help with allergies. If you consume your local honey, it will help with your allergies. So, just gonna let that steep while I fix my little snack here. Let me show you what I do. I'm just gonna get me a paper plate and put out here. These low-fat graham crackers. Open this pack up. And I typically will make me a couple of these. Like that. And I'll get my PB powder. Usually I just use, it says 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of water. So, and I like mine a little thick to make it like peanut butter, and I'm gonna add some water. And you just stir it up until you get it the consistency you want. Add a little bit more of that to it. Okay. And then I'm just going to take my peanut butter, spread it right on my cracker. And it just makes a good little semi-sweet treat with my cup of tea before bedtime. So that's my little nighttime snack. And it's good. Then I'll take my tea. I'm getting low on my peanut butter powder. Look how good that looks. Let's smell it. Smells good too. And I just squeeze my tea bag out. set it right there. Let's try a drink. Oh, that's good. That is really good. That has a good flavor. That is the chamomile. I think this is the lemon zinger. That's really good. And then my little peanut butter powder and my graham cracker. It's really good. Okay, you all. There's my snack. And the changes that I've made in my diet has really helped. I am down 45 pounds and I'm feeling much better, able to do a lot. I'll insert a picture here. When my mom passed away, I was at a good weight and I felt good. For the most part, I had my, arthritis, but other than that, I felt pretty good. But, the grief process really was hard, and I took 6 months off of YouTube when that happened. But I really packed on the weight, and I didn't realize how honestly depressed I was for 2 years. So it's took me a while to realize I've got to take care of myself. I want to be able to enjoy my life and the time I have with my grandchildren and my children and my husband. So these little changes have made a big difference and I'm feeling great. So I hope you'll try this little snack and a good warm cup of tea. It's really relaxing. My daughter Chelsea does this and she encouraged me to. I'm really enjoying it. I don't drink coffee anymore. I stopped over a year ago with soda, diet soda, and coffee. And yeah, I don't miss it. All right. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a good evening. God bless you. Good night.